Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix backup error 0x8078012d. The request cannot be performed because of an I/O device error fix. The first step is go to the start menu and type services and hit enter. And in this new window, scroll down and select volume shadow copy. Double click and change to manual and click on apply, or change to automatic and click on apply and OK, and double click and click on start and click on OK, and you can verify in this column the status of the service, running, automatic, or you can try restart and wait a moment and verify to running, and the problem has been fixed in this point. Close this window and go to the start menu and click on restart. Login in your desktop. And your problem has been fixed. You can verify the automatic solution. Go to the start menu, select services, and search for volume shadow copy. And the service status is running. You can try run any backup application or any program, and this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.